Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this DIY tutorial, I'm going to be making these super cute silver flip-flops. It is not summer season yet, but it's definitely vacation season. So this is the time when you're going to take a vacation with your boo, take a vacation with your girls, or take a couple's vacation with your bestie and whoever they're dating or married to. So I just thought that I would put together some really quick ideas for flip-flops in my embellishment series, and as I'm making them for myself, I thought I'd make a pair for you. These are a size 10. If you like them, comments have all the details on how you can receive these. If the details are no longer in the comments, that means that this particular giveaway is over, but please subscribe, like, and hit the notifications because I'm going to be giving things away all year for 2020 and you want to stay up on it. So if you think this is cute and you want to add it to your wardrobe, stay tuned and I'll show you what I used to get this look. For this project, I used a pair of gray Old Navy flip-flops. And then I used two different kinds of embellishments. So 16 SS in black diamond. And then these are some gray beads that I received in a Swarovski crystal package, and I don't know what color they are. They look like a metallic gray, but they're really, really cute. And I'm sorry that the quality doesn't really show how cute they are, but these are like a matte and these are sparkly.
Sometimes I'm so home. Sometimes alone. Sometimes I'm so home. Sometimes alone.
And becoming the best at it and mastering myself and seeing what I have within me. If you decide to drop your buckets where you are and develop your gifts, I grant you, you'll never ever be without. I grant you that your gifts will take you places that will literally amaze you.
Sometimes I'm so home. Sometimes I know.
And becoming the best at it and mastering myself and seeing what I have within me. If you decide to drop your buckets where you are and develop your gifts, I grant you, you'll never ever be without. I grant you that your gifts will take you places that will literally amaze you.